This year's National Day of Prayer will be held at Parkway Baptist in Fort Oglethorpe, Georgia, with a unique prayer emphasis on the subject of unity. Hello friends, this is Pastor David Sampson, and I am inviting you to join us on Thursday, May the 3rd, for an evening of prayer led by community and church leaders, with special music from one of Southern Gospel's beloved trios, the Jim Brady Trio. The event will begin at 6:45 p.m., and more than ever before, as we look around at our world today, our nation stands in need of prayer. So will you make plans to unite your voice together with many others as we call upon the Lord Jesus Christ to draw us closer to Him? Hope to see you there Thursday, May the 3rd at 6:45 p.m. God bless.